The Honda Odyssey has been a staple in the minivan segment since its introduction, providing families with reliability, practicality, and useful innovative features. Competing against the likes of the Toyota Sienna and Chrysler Pacifica, the Odyssey has carved out a niche for itself by focusing on durability and a family-friendly design. Selecting the best year for the Honda Odyssey can be subjective, but there are important distinctions that should be considered. In this case, we've accessed data from reputable resources. Looking specifically at CarComplaints, Edmunds ratings, and NHTSA complaint and recall information helps determine the best and worst model years to own. Let's look at the best years for the Honda Odyssey in terms of vehicle ownership and reliability, while also spotting which model years to avoid. Number 6. 2013 Honda Odyssey. The 2013 Honda Odyssey is often hailed as one of the Honda Odyssey's best years for reliability. This model year benefits from a mid-cycle refresh, offering a balance of performance, comfort, and safety features. The affordable earlier model is quite similar to modern variants, including a 248-horsepower V6 engine, a beautiful interior design, and safety innovations, such as blind spot assistance and a rear-view camera, contributing to its top reliability scores. At this point, vehicles of this age are racking up miles, so look for well-maintained vehicles that are certified pre-owned. The 2013 Odyssey Touring and Touring Elite trims have a 6-speed automatic gearbox, while the LX, EX, and EXL trims have a 5-speed automatic. Overall, both transmissions perform admirably. The Odyssey's standard powertrain achieves an estimated 18 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway, better than what most competitors from that decade can claim. Number 5. 2017 Honda Odyssey. The 2017 Honda Odyssey was one of the first years that all issues seemed to fade away. On top of that, they had a great life expectancy, whereas most Odysseys lasted well over 250,000 miles before any problems. As you saw above, that's a fantastic improvement, as most barely made it over 100,000 without needing total transmission replacement. This year has a record for lasting long for the model, but it also has no recalls and has a high safety rating. Everything seems to have been perfect, from the anti-lock disc brakes to the rear-view camera, not giving drivers any issues. Another solid improvement was the gas mileage, which shot up to 28 on the highway. With regular maintenance, the Odysseys of this year can make it up to 300,000 miles, not causing any significant issues for drivers. Number 4. 2019 Honda Odyssey. The 2019 Honda Odyssey was the second model of the fourth generation. Like the others, it has 7 or 8 seats and a 3.5-liter V6 engine. That powertrain can be mated to a 9 or 10-speed automatic gearbox, and it reaches 280 horsepower, just like the 5th generation. An all-purpose vehicle with outstanding adaptability, the 2019 Odyssey continued to show that minivans are still a viable class of vehicle. It also offers a wide range of driver assistance functions and has great safety ratings. Even on bumpy roads, the 2019 Odyssey provides a comfortable ride, and its V6 engine strikes a balance between efficient fuel use and quick acceleration. The 10-speed gearbox, which is available in the Touring and Elite trims, delivers extra smooth and accurate shifts, but rest assured that the normal 9-speed gearbox also performs admirably. Number 3. 2020 Honda Odyssey. The 2020 Honda Odyssey, despite some complaints and recalls, still receives high marks and is known for very good reliability, making it a modern and worry-free option for buyers. The 2020 model year of the Odyssey marked the start of the classic Honda minivan's fifth generation. Large SUVs and minivans from other brands couldn't match the family-friendly cabin volume, easy sliding doors, and a secure ride. Don't forget about optional luxurious amenities, such as a rear seat entertainment system. As the start of the new generation, this model was also the first to reach the 28 mpg highway efficiency rating. The 2020 Odyssey boasts rapid acceleration, both when coming out of a stop and while driving along the highway, thanks to its potent V6 engine. Handling is strong, but with the right dynamics for a family minivan. Its suspension contributes to the vehicle's smooth ride, and you'll experience almost no body roll on curves or hard turns. Number 2. 2021 Honda Odyssey. With some of the newest driver aid technologies and a revised 10-speed gearbox, the 2021 model is also a fantastic choice. As with other model years, it comes in 5 different trim levels: LX, EX, EXL, Touring, and Elite. Like the 2022 edition, it can tow up to 3,500 pounds. All higher trims seat 8 people, while the base seats 7. Front-wheel drive, a 10-speed automatic gearbox, and a 280 horsepower V6 engine are standard on all variants. In addition, the model year saw a minor redesign halfway through, with a refreshed appearance and 4-way lumbar seat adjustment made more readily available. The EPA estimates that the 2021 Odyssey gets 19 mpgs in the city and 28 mpgs on the interstate. For the minivan class, such numbers are more than competitive. Number 1. 2022 Honda Odyssey. It's no surprise that the Honda Odyssey's most recent model year includes all the current amenities and technology. However, with the 2022 edition, Honda has also improved the engine, comfort, and fuel efficiency. The 2022 Odyssey has Honda's latest driver assistance and active safety items, an easily foldable third row that increases storage capacity, and improved outward vision. It even has the latest version of the family-friendly cabin watch system, with ceiling-mounted cameras providing an overhead view of the rear seats on your infotainment screen. There are 5 distinct trims available for the 2022 Odyssey, each of which brings a greater level of premium comfort and convenience. The 3.5-liter V6 engine in the 2022 Odyssey generates a respectable 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It comes in front-wheel drive, like other versions, and the engine connects to a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Overall, the 2022 Odyssey is a highly practical and comfortable family minivan with the agility and control of a lightweight sedan. When considering the Honda Odyssey's reliability by year, it's clear that certain model years excel in providing a trouble-free ownership experience. For the best options for respective advancements in reliability, safety, and overall value, look for newer models less than 10 years old. In general, we'd avoid Odysseys produced in the 2000s due to their chronic issues and higher maintenance costs. With this information in hand, prospective buyers can make informed decisions and enjoy the many useful benefits the Honda Odyssey has to offer.